Hi there, my name is Tracy Barrett with the Focus on Nova Real Estate team at Century 21 Redwood Realty. Today I'm presenting you with our latest listing at 7104 Bedstraw Court, right here in Springfield in the Hunter Village community of the Daventry HOA. You have access to the community pool, tennis courts, and Tot-Lots, as well as tons of walking trails. This particular house is an interior unit townhouse with a one-car garage, and there is so much pride in ownership we can't even list it all here. Brand new white oak hardwood floors, new sliders on the top level and bottom level. We have a new front door, brand new roof in 2018 to include the skylight and gutters on both sides. Check out the listing and contact us today for more information.